Hi guys, it's me Ryan. I wonder what should we do in this video? What do you guys say?
Oh, how about a unboxing video?
Oh, that sounds good. But which one should I do?
How about the AirPod that you found in the garage? Have you found it?
Oh, I think I did. Oh, that's right. Let's check out my AirPods in the garage.
We agree.
Okay, so let's take a look at our garage. Let's see what can we find. Ooh. Wait a second. What is that? Oh my god, that is our AirPods. Let's take it inside and unbox it. Okay guys, now let's open this bad boy. AirPods Pro. After lost in my garage for a year. Let's open it. Let's open this little boy. That takes longer than I expected. So that's our cover box. Put that aside. And let's take a look at this bad boy. Let's check it out what we have here. We got some Apple AirPods Pro here. Some menus. No stickers? No, we don't have it. And now let's check out this guy right here. Let's take it out. And that must be our charger behind it. Let's put this guy inside now. Let's take a look at what's down there. Ooh, we just opened another little box right here. Let's put this aside. What do we have here? Oh, I think that's the air cover or something. Oh, that's how I opened it. Oh, different sizes. Look at that. That is pretty neat. Okay, let's put that aside. And that's just the box. So that is our charging cable. Let's put that aside. Let's open it. Ooh la la. First open of my 1 year lost AirPods. Ding 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 ding. Let's get them all. Oh, we can't pull it like that. It's magnetic, so we have to grab it. Here's one, and here's the two, and that's our charging case. That looks pretty nice too. So the cable goes here, and then that's the light indicator. Pretty nice, pretty neat. Let's put that aside too. And that is our little beast headphones, guys. Let's see if I still have batteries in there. Let's see if it can connect to my cell phone. How can I open this thing? I mean, turn on this thing with, where's the button? The power button? How can I turn on this thing? Now I think it's the time to read the menu. Okay, let's take a look at the menus. Oh my god, so it is so smart. Once we open the case, it shall connect by itself. Bravo, nice, yeah. So let me charge them, then we give a deeper look and test the song a little bit. So the menu is useful. Let's just put it back so. They're all USB Type C, so I can plug in them into my R11. Is it charging? Oh guys, now it's charging. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I didn't fully insert the cable. Okay guys, so I bring my wireless charging pad here to test out the wireless charging. Let's take a look at that. So just put this guy on here. It is charging. Look at this. The charging is not the only problem. Problem is I didn't know how to connect. So I wasn't supposed to take out the AirPods according to the menu. So we just put that next to the iPhone and then open it, then it will connect. I wasn't supposed to take it out. So let's see if that's true. Let me open this. Ding 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 ding. Oh, look at that. This thing is legit. Okay, so gotta connect. It says connecting. Oh, nice. Let's take a look over here. So skip. Announcement, continue. Oh, nice. And it shows the case and also the AirPods. So this is it, right? We can start using it, right? Let's take it out. Here's one, here's two. Let's play some music. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but when I put it on my ear, it is pretty loud. So let's have our best friend to test out this AirPods. Okay, so here comes our best friend, Bob. Bob, how are you? Can you test the AirPods? Yes, my lord. Okay, there we go. Let's test it. Can you hear it? Is it loud and clear? Yes, my lord. Are you recommend this AirPods? Yes, my lord. Alrighty, sounds like Bob has enough. He also got some nice feature of these AirPods. So when you tap this part once, it's gonna pause or play. And when you double tap, it's gonna skip forward, and triple tap, it's gonna back forward. So this thing can be used by Siri too. And all these informations are from the menu. After all, I think the menu are really useful, guys. I agree. Yes, that's right. Also for this replacement, the air plug, if you have a bigger hole, air hole, you can use this. And if you have small holes, you can use this. Check those out if you have different size holes. That sounds weird. Don't forget to read the menus before using this. They are really helpful. And more information, guys, go to apple.com. There's more detail of this AirPods. New version maybe come out anytime soon, but this thing is still worthy to buy. And especially if you could find one in your garage. Okay guys, so that is pretty much everything for this little short unboxing and review video for this AirPods Pro. And thank you for watching, and sorry Bob for this awkward position. And again, as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.